Welcome to Lifelong Collab, and today we are partnering with the Office of International Programs at the University of Ghana to bring to you the Ghana to the World Summer Program. That is right, a summer study in Ghana. What it entails is a 3-in-1 program where you are able to get credits. So you're studying in Ghana, you can tour the lovely country, and you can go back to the beautiful nation. So we are inviting you to the Ghana to the World Summer Program. And we have 2 cohorts. Our first cohort will start on June 3rd to June 25th, and our second cohort will start on July 1st to July 24th. So if you are interested, please feel free to email me at lifelongcollab@gmail.com, or you can find us on social media, or you can check out our website for more information. Once again, you are invited to the Ghana to the World Summer Program for 2022. Thank you, and you are invited. Bye.